Hello friends, how are you all? Today I'm going to talk about some common hair problems. Slow hair growth, weak, fragile hair, dandruff, scalp fungus. I will also share how you can make your hair bloom and grow strong. We're going to prepare a unique oil that has been used since ancient times, onion oil. Many people make onion oil, but today I will show you a method that eliminates the unpleasant smell, making it easy and effective to use. Choosing the right onion. For this oil, we need dry red onions, although white onions can also be used. The onion must be dry because wet onions will give your oil a strong, unpleasant odor, which can be difficult to remove from your hair. To check if the onion is dry, try peeling it. If the outer layer comes off easily, it's dry. Press the onion. If it feels firm and dry, you're good to go. If it's wet or smells strong, don't use it. Preparation. 1. Peel and chop. The dry onion into small pieces. You can also grate it if you prefer. 2. Grind. The onion pieces using a mixer. You can make the paste as fine or coarse as you like, but finer paste works better. Cooking the oil 1. Take a thick-bottomed iron pan. Iron pans are best, as they infuse the oil with added benefits. 2. Pour in mustard oil. You can also add coconut oil if you like, but traditionally, mustard oil works best with onions. 3. Add the ground onion paste to the oil. Keep the flame very low. This is crucial because if the oil is too hot, the onions will burn and the oil will lose its potency. 4. Let it cook slowly on low heat for about 20 to 25 minutes. Be patient. Do not rush this process, as slow cooking helps extract all the nutrients. 5. Once it's done, turn off the heat and let the mixture cool for 2 to 3 hours. Straining the oil. After the oil has cooled, strain it using a fine mesh strainer to remove the onion residue. What you are left with is pure, homemade onion oil, packed with nutrients that will strengthen your hair and help it grow. Subscribe to my channel. Using essential oils. Optional. You can add a few drops of essential oils like lavender or rosemary to enhance the scent and benefits. Essential oils are optional, but can help mask any residual onion smell. How to apply the oil 1. Take a teaspoon of the oil and warm it slightly. Never heat the oil directly on the stove as this will destroy its beneficial properties. Instead, warm it by placing the container in a bowl of lukewarm water. 2. Apply the oil to your scalp, focusing on the roots. Massage gently with your fingertips, avoiding your nails as they can damage the scalp. 3. Leave the oil on overnight or for at least 2 hours before washing it out with a mild shampoo. With regular use, this oil will nourish your hair, reduce hair fall, and promote healthy growth. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing tips.